Hi guys, Kent Revs News Tracy now in another intro to Lincoln High Street level crossing in Lincoln. This crossing's had a few upgrades since we've last been here, but nothing major. Well, not as major as really. You've got the LEDs here. Do not trespass. Okay, no, Lincoln City Council notice for application for planning permission. 24-hour CCTV in operation in this area for safety purpose. Heat system is in operation by Network Rail. And you've got a new, I don't even know to see that in the shade, but there's a new LED headlight. You've got your SPX barriers made on the 15th of February 2014 with 3, 6, 8 weights there. Concrete crossing plant, rubber anti-trespass cars. You've also got Strail. There's the box. YN. Okay, this is actually, so this is made up. That's made on the 2nd, on the 15th, 2014. This one's made on the 4th of the 15th. 3, 6, 8, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 8. So in there. Here's your other LED test. New LED headlights. This road is now fully pedestrianised, apart from the odd surface vehicles. Building work. Another LED headlight. LEDs there. Lift. 3, 6. So 3, 6. There's 9 on this one. 3, 6, 9. 14, 15, 6. I'm just going to read like that now. Strail and concrete crossing plant with rubber anti-trespass guide. Brayford down there. New bridge. That's loose, but we're not going to touch it. We're not Joe Fort. Sorry, Joe. 3, 6, 9 and a quarter. 3, 6, 9 again. ZN. Right, you've got a new Yoda alarm on a the new pole with the LEDs there and the new headlight. And when they positioned the Yoda alarm, they dropped it and cracked it. Cracked the old one, so they had to replace a new one. And there's a bridge, which is something that's currently under construction. And this crossing, as most of you probably know, is on the Great Northern Great Eastern route between Peterborough, Doncaster and Newark. That was Peterborough, Grimsby, Cleethorpes and Lincoln Station. That way is towards towards Doncaster via Saxelby and Gatesborough Lee Road and Newark Northgate.